Hi everyone, it is me, Ahmed. Today we are unboxing these two Matchbox cars. First up, let's unbox this Matchbox Karma GS6 with gray with 91 out of 100. There's a Karma logo on the top and there's a Karma trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have black grille, passenger side with black wheels, rear, driver side, and roof with black roof. The code says S44, that's the code. Let's unbox this. It's Matchbox 2019 Jeep Renegade with orange with 16 out of 100. And there's a Jeep logo on the top. And there's a Jeep trademark. Let's unbox this SUV. Front, we have black grille, passenger side, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says S40, that's the code. Okay, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.